Hello everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to log into ClickView account online. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, open up a web browser. Now in the search bar, type in www.clickview.co.uk. After you come across this official page, click on the three horizontal lines in the top right corner. Here, go to sign in option. Now you'll have to enter your username or email address that you had used while creating an account. Then tap on continue button. And in the next page, you'll have to enter your password. After that, follow through the prompts and fill in the information that is required in order to log in. And that is how you can log into ClickView account online. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.